How to fix this payment has been declined in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this payment has been declined in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Roblox. After you open up your Roblox, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you've logged in into your account, and when you try to make a payment, if you're getting such error, first you might want to check if your credit card or the debit card that you use has enough credit. So you can check that first, and if it does have enough credit, but if it still gets declined, what you need to do is after you open up your Roblox, tap on the more option on the bottom right. Then scroll down and there you will see help and safety. Tap on it and there head over to help. After you're on the help section, let it load and there you will see the different topics and different articles related to different problems. So what we'll do here is we'll simply scroll down, and after you scroll down you should find an option related to your funds. So there you will see unauthorized charges and refund request. So tap on that, and after you're there, scroll down, and after you scroll down all the way down, there you will see need more help, contact support. So tap on need more help, contact support and let it load. After it loads, here you will need to just contact and reach out to Roblox support. So as you can see, your username is already there. You can type in your first name, your email address that is associated to your Roblox, confirm the email address, and here under issue details, right here, you can simply choose your device, then the help category. Now under help category, choose your payments. Now again here, if you're here, just you can choose whichever is your problem, that is my purchase was declined, and then you can describe your issue. Now here you will need to state what you are using the payment for and what you are trying to do with it, and also the error that it gave you. Then tap on continue, and then Roblox support will help you and they will reach back to you as well. And with that, your problem should get fixed after a few conversations with them. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.